Now, this is how we can live stream the iPhone screen onto YouTube. So let me guide you through it, and if you're new here, subscribe so we can get started. So for this, you will actually need an app from the App Store, which is called Streamlabs. So make sure you download it onto your device. It is freely available, and you can open it up like this, and I'm gonna go through the setup process. So obviously you have to decide where you're gonna stream. So if it's for YouTube, in our case, you can see that you can log in with the YouTube platform right away. So it's gonna ask you to continue and just go with the Google account, right? So I'm going to go with this one as such, right? I'm going to go through it and click on continue, right? So as you can see, you kind of have to give it permission to start things like live streams on your behalf. So just go through it like this, and then you will have the ability to start a new live stream, right? So usually people go live like this, then you're gonna tap on it, and you have to decide if you're starting with the camera or with the screen share. And if you go with the screen share, you basically share what's on your screen and not what you see through the camera. So you can click on the next like this and set up all of the stuff like the new broadcast and choose whatever you need, right? You can choose to create an event or upcoming event. So you kind of have to go through it, click on the next, and then you will have the ability to go live. Like you can literally upload YouTube thumbnail and perform all of the descriptions and everything. And on behalf of your account, this app will be able to go live. And of course, we're going to use the screen as the thing which you're going to be streaming. So that's how it works generally. Let me know if you managed to make that work. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss future uploads and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon.